Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all students. So please take note that you have to download your Octave program from this website. And after you bring to this website, then you have to download your Octave based on your system. So if your system, let's say in my case, I'm using Windows, so I can click Windows. And you have a lot of options on installing it based on your settings. So you must check your computer settings whether you are using 64-bit system or 32-bit system. So if you are using the version of 64, then you have to download this. You can click this and you install as usual. Or if let's say you are using 32-bit system, you can install this link and install as required by the software. And for the other kind of platform, let's say Mac OS, so you can click this also. But I'm not familiar with Mac OS, so maybe in Mac OS also have 64-bit and 32-bit. You have to click this file or this file. Hope that will give you some kind of work to be done before we start our class on next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.